At Fuchun Tyre, every inner tube is more than just a product. It's a commitment to quality and reliability. As an inner tube supplier in China, we securely package and deliver worldwide. We understand that durable packaging is crucial for safe transportation. That's why our factory integrates automated packaging lines to ensure every shipment is consistent, efficient, and well protected. We offer a variety of packaging methods: cartons, woven bags. Whether it is a custom or retail order or a bulk order, each carton or bag is clearly marked with the size and specifications, making warehousing and distribution easier. From industrial to agricultural to heavy-duty applications, Fuchun Tyre ensures that every inner tube is carefully packaged, safe and reliable, giving you peace of mind with every shipment. With over 30 years of experience, our products are exported to over 130 countries, providing customers worldwide with superior, durable, and reliable inner tube solutions. Fuchuntyre, reliable inner tube supplier. Contact us today for more information and a quote on inner tubes.